How to combine all videos or clips into one video or clip. So first of all, you will need to download a tool for this, which is called CapCut. You can use any free tool. So CapCut is free. So you want to search for CapCut and click on CapCut Desktop and click on Download for free. And then you'll simply need to download the installer and follow the steps to install it. I have it already installed in my computer. So I'm going to double click on CapCut to run it. And once it's open, you want to click on Create a Project. And it will open up a new project. Now we'll need to import all the videos that we want to merge together. So I'm going to drag and drop the selected videos into this box right here. And then we'll simply use this imported media. So first I'm going to use the first clip and drag it to the timeline and wait for it to load. Now I can cut the video or shrink it to remove the parts that I don't need, like this, or doing it from the other side, or splitting it in a specific timeline frame, like this. So select the timeline and click on this icon to split the video like this. And now I can drag the other videos as well and place them right after that, or right after any part that I want to cut or remove, like this. And once they are perfectly aligned after each other, they should play directly after each other. So if you want to put the timeline at the beginning and press the play here to preview, you should see the videos playing in order after each other with no interruption. And like that, we have merged them all together. Now we will need to export these videos into one clip or video. Click on the export button. Now you will need to specify a path where to export the videos. For example, I'm going to leave it here at the default path and give it a name. And then make sure it's MP4 format and the frame rate is matching the video's frame rate, which is 60. And you can then click on export and wait for it to export these into one video. And once it's done, you should have your video ready so you can use it however you want. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.